Hello and welcome to this Teen Adult DIY Craft with Miss Jo. I'm so glad you're here today. Hey, we're going to do something really fun. I have some crayons. I have a black canvas board here with a quote that I really like, and I'm going to show you how to do some melted crayon art. All you need is a heat tool. Then these are used for embossing with card making. If you don't have a heat tool, a hair dryer set on high will also work. There's a lot of different techniques you can use. I created this one and I cut out a silhouette of Mary Poppins, and then I covered her with painter's tape, which works really well because it comes off without sticking to the canvas or your silhouette here. And then I just took blues and grays and dripped down like rain, and she turned out really cool. Or you could go really wild like I did with Tink here, and I decided to cut Tinkerbell out of duct tape because I had this really cool starry duct tape that looked like a fairy material to me. And then I took and just used all kinds of colors, and again I covered this whole area here with painter's tape and just let the colors flow. So there's lots of ways to do this, and it's really fun. And all you need is some old crayons. I've peeled the paper off here. Let's start. So I'm going to set my heat tool here. Be really careful because this is hot air, but it can get hot enough to blister, so be aware of where your hands are on this. And then I'm going to start by I'm going to put my crayon right like this. And let it, oh, there it goes. So I'm going to put my yellow. And you kind of hold it on there and let the heat tool kind of blow it around. Okay, like that. Now I'm going to add my next color, which I think I'm going to add some really cool color of orchid to go with it. And it makes it really nice. You can either let it drip or the crayon becomes really fluid, so you can kind of almost draw with it. Now to that, I'm going to add a little white into there. And almost like a cosmic cloud. And I think I'm going to put in some silver. And I think to my silver, I'm going to add a little bit of green over here. So let me show you what I've done so far. And started my own little galaxy there, and you can see it runs and will do all kinds of cool things. And you can just keep adding till you have the colors in the palette that you want. Whatever you do, Your imagination is the limit. Thanks for joining me on DIY with Miss Jo, and we'll see you next time. Take care.